Everything that can be automated, in the end, will be automated.
Welcome to AI in Action.
Proximity, we are a group of technology companies operating across the US, Europe, Middle East, and Asia. We began as a niche technology solutions partner for CTO offices, tackling performance and scale engineering challenges for some of the world's most well-known companies. Over the years, we've heavily invested in AI and machine learning, offering both products and services, with AI-enabled services comprising more than 70% of our offerings.
And the question often is not should you adopt AI, on how fast you should adopt AI.